Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to delete our public profile on Snapchat, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete public profile on Snapchat, first open up your Snapchat app and make sure to be logged into the account on which you want to delete your public profile. From the section guys at the top left corner of the screen, you can see it here is the Bitmoji icon of yours. Tap on it on a circle and you will be landed on this page. Now in order to delete our public profile, you can do it from over here where it says my public profile, but we'll be going to the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on that settings icon and scroll down over here until you can find the public profile settings. Tap on it. Now in order to proceed guys, you need to know one thing, that is you will not be permanently able to delete your public profile. It will be still on the Snapchat, but you will be deleting all of the data, photos, all of the information you put on your profile. Public profile will be erased. So to do that, you can see when we scroll down on this option, there is the clear public profile option available for us. Tap on it and you can see guys, all of your information on your Snapchat public profile will be deleted or cleared out. This way your public profile won't have anything left, but you will not be able to delete it because Snapchat does not allow it to delete us our public profile, but we will be able to clear it out. And with that being said guys, this is how you delete your public profile on Snapchat. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.